Depending on the situation, Supra is in one of three states: idle state, standby state, and drive-ready state. Prior to opening from the inside and after exiting and locking, Supra is off or in idle state. In certain situations, Supra is automatically turned off and put into idle state. If the Supra is inactive for several minutes, for example if the doors or windows, start-stop switch, or the audio system are not operated, or if the battery charge is low. Depending on the setting in Supra command, Supra is automatically turned off and put into idle state when one of the front doors is opened to exit the vehicle. To change the setting, press the Supra command interface to call up the main menu and scroll to the My Vehicle menu. Select Vehicle Settings, Door Key, and then select or deselect Turn Off After Door Opening. Additionally, you can manually put the Supra into idle state by pushing and holding the Audio Off button for a few seconds. Once Supra's front doors are opened from the outside, it goes into the standby state. The engine is off, but most vehicle functions, such as the multimedia system, are able to be used and settings adjusted. Off is displayed in the instrument cluster showing that Supra is not ready to drive. When Supra's engine is started with a push of the Start-Stop button, it is put into drive-ready state. The indicator lights in the instrument cluster will illuminate briefly as part of a self-check process, and the tachometer displays the current engine speed. To switch Supra out of drive-ready state, push the P button on the shift lever to place the transmission in park. Press the Start-Stop button to shut off the engine, and engage the parking brake. Please note, if the Supra is left unlocked with the key fob left inside, several systems will remain active, potentially draining the battery. It is important to ensure that Supra's doors are closed and locked, and the key fob taken out of the car when not in use, to prevent excessive battery drain. Refer to the owner's manual for more details.